with this. This is pretty easy. You just slide this outwards like this, and then there's a clip on it. You pull it out. So if you look at this, you see two tabs right here, and then this clip slides right here. We're gonna go ahead and test fit the blind spot monitor system. I'm adding screws to this. All right, looks good. OEM screws. Need to transfer over our plastic clip. We don't have this foam piece on the replacement. So we have the blind spot monitor, lights, LEDs in.